Wondering how to turn off the DialPad sounds on your iPhone because you don't want others to know that you're making a call? I can totally understand how this can be a security issue. Just imagine trying to call 911. So anyway, the unfortunate thing is, you still can't turn off the dialing sound on your iPhone as of now. What turns it off is enabling silent mode. So you can either turn on silent mode by holding down the action button, or you can also bring down the notification slider and tap on this bell icon. Now if I use the dialpad, you can see there's no more sound. But as you know, this will turn off all the other notifications as well. So what you can also do is open settings, go to sounds and haptics, and lower the ringtone and alerts slider. And decreasing it will turn down all the system sounds, including the dialpad volume. That's all, hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.